Here's one of my favorite functions on Word. It's called compare documents, and I use it when I get documents back from clients where they've tinkered, made a few changes, but they haven't tracked those changes. And it's really important for me to be able to see what they've done. So if I'm sent back a document without tracked changes, I use compare documents. So here is my version. It's the first chapter of Moby Dick. And then this is what my client has sent back to me. And there's not like obvious changes. So I need to use compare documents. What I do is I go tools, combine. And now I can go my version and client version. So those are the two documents that I want to see, I want to compare. And then I go, okay. And then it will create a new document with all of the changes tracked. So I can see here that the client has deleted this bit of text, and this, and this, and this, and here the client has formatted it by highlighting it in bold. So you can see all the way through from start to finish exactly what they've done. And that's the awesomeness of combined documents.